Inkonzo yemngcwabo wa Hilary Gardee itawubanjwa eMbombela kulemphelasontfo Loku kumenyetelwe ngumndeni wakhe lamuhla ekuseni. Hilary bekayindvodzakati yamabhalane jikelele waphambilini we-EFF Godrich Gardee. Umndeni Gardee ukwemukele ngato totimbili kwesekelwa lokutfole kutakhamuti takuleli.
The funeral of the late and beloved daughter of the Gardees will be held on Saturday, the 7th of May 2022, and it will be held in Kuku Township in Nelspruit, here in Mpumalanga at the church on the hill. So confirmations are made and preparations are in place to lay to rest Hilary Gardee, who was abducted on the 29th of April, and her body was sadly found 60 kilometers out of eMbombela on the 3rd of May 2022. So as the family, we would like to extend our appreciation once again to the general public, to the people of South Africa, for their consistent support in consoling the family, in launching a campaign to find Hilary, and permanently being there and sending condolences. All dignitaries, all institutions, all political parties, all NGOs which have sent their condolences, we'd like to send and extend our appreciation to them.